Hello guys, welcome back to the Big LT. If you're too lazy to read the title of this video, basically it's the first Wednesday of the month, which down here usually means that the tornado siren's going to go off. I don't know if different areas no, I do know there's some areas that don't do this. I heard there's some areas that test their tornado sirens every week. Like, what? That's weird. Like, are they so breakable or something? Yeah. I wish we can do that down here, but we don't. But today it's the first Wednesday of the month, and about 10 o'clock, the tornado sirens are going to go off. So when they go off, expect to hear some FFs 2001-130s or Federal Signal 2001-130s if you don't like the FS. But yeah, and expect some Thunderbolt 1003s. No, Thunderbolt 1000Ts. We don't have any 1003s down here. We only got 1000Ts. So yeah, then and we also got another air raid siren that doesn't rotate. It's I forgot the name of it, but it looks something like a fire siren. So yeah, it's 9:42 right now. So I only got a few more minutes until 10 o'clock. Then the sirens are going to go off. Alright, so it's 10 o'clock right now. I bet the sirens are going to go off. I don't hear anything right now. Oh, there we go. There's a siren right by the gas station down here. That's the reason why you're able to hear one very good. Well, guys, I think that was it. I can hear the 2001-130 that's down at the gas station. I can hear that winding down. You know, as many times as I heard this go off before, it still sounds really creepy. The mixture of both tornado sirens, when they go off together, they just sound so creepy. They really do. So there was a monthly test of the Rolla, Missouri tornado sirens. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later, and bye.